I did a course called Hands-on Data Science 1 and Hands-on Data Science 2 on LinkedIn Learning. So, in that Hands-on Data Science 1 course, we used SQL queries, that is in SQL queries in data.world platform. And then Hands-on Data Science 2 course, we used Tableau. And based on my understanding and using Tableau, I'm going to teach you of how to get started with Tableau as a newcomer or as a beginner. Just a very, very basic thing of how to get your first visualization done. So once you download and install Tableau desktop, this is a screen which you get. These are all the things that I already worked on, so that's just appearing. Otherwise, if you're totally new to Tableau, it's going to be empty here. And as you know, Tableau is basically you visualize from a given data set or data. So you can use data or data sets from various places. For instance, you can connect to data sets from connect or just take and work data sets that are like as Excel files, text files, JSON files, and like there are various options here. Similarly, you can connect from different servers also. Instead of all these things, just as we are beginners, let's just go with the sample superstore dataset that's already present in Tableau. So I'm clicking on that. Okay, so this is the screen that you'll be getting, and this is like a workspace, workspace in the sense this is the place where we'll be getting all our graphs once we start putting in the data and all that. For a very basic level, Tableau doesn't need any coding, and these are all the contents of our superstore data set that we are using. When you hover on this, you can see some are like in green color, and some get and some become blue color. So the ones in green color all are all like measures, and the ones in blue color are all like field name. Okay, it's like more like uh, a unique name, that is a person's name, so that's there. And measure is something like it's a set of values, a ratio, or the sum, average, and those things. I mean, just the word measures is like self-explanatory. Now moving on, like we'll just make our first, our very very first visualization using the superstore data set. For that, I'm just thinking of what to make. Okay, I think it's just to begin with, I think it's nice to make a sales and profit visualization, like by customer, like sales and profit by customer graph. Let's see how it comes out. For that, from this I'm going to take as the name specifies, sales and profit. I'm going to double click on sales, and I'm going to double click on profit, so like you automatically get a graph. So these are like you can also drag this and drop it here. It's up to you. It's totally up to you. You can even like drag this over here to columns and see what happens. You can drag this to rows. So it's like it's you who decides what type of the graph, what type the graph is supposed to be. There are several things. And now, since it's for the customer, we need something this which specifies the customer. Like I have customer name. Okay, so that's like it just gives details about the customer. For instance, if the person is like XYZ, it just says the person is XYZ. Like it's some kind of a detail which indicates a particular person. So this you can just drag and drop it onto the detail thing. Like hover over it, it just gets grayed in color. Just leave it there. As soon as you leave it there, Tableau generates a graph because you've already given some values over here and you have put customer name to details. This is like, a scatter graph. And since we are basically checking the profit ratio, I mean, once it's like sales and profit by customer. So we need to have a variation of color for different profits, like the ones who have higher, the ones who buy a lot and give a lot of profit, the ones who buy less and give very less profits and all that. So So like we have profit ratio here. This can be used to, give more details to your graph. So I'll put this in the color, like you hover over it and it gets, and it becomes gray in color. So I'll put it on color. So you get a graph. And I personally don't like this color combination. So I'm going to go click on color and edit color. And I will go and choose colors. I'll choose my, regular favorite sunrise, sunset, diverging option here. And I also feel that the graph is, I'll just put the range from minus 0.5 to plus 0.5. So I apply, and now you can see I kind of prefer this color. It's more nicer and all that. If you're going to move your cursor on this, it's going to show, like, different, I mean, the details for each of those circles and the scatter. Like, it gives the person's name, the profit that they've given to the company, the sales, profit ratio, and all that. Like, you can keep moving. Uh, Similarly, this is, similarly, here you can see the various type of, uh, graph options that Tableau has. And for this combination of, data, the graphs that are possible are like given in bright, and the ones that are not possible are like given in a blurred, blurred shade. So you can very easily find out what kind of graphs are your possible options for the type of this for the type of data you're using at the moment. This is a sheet, and you can you can make multiple sheets and put them all together in a single dashboard in the sense a single sheet, so that it looks more compact and more, it gives a clear picture of all the different types of combination and visualizations you're doing. So for example, here we have made a single sheet. Now if you're going to make more sheets, like with different data and different charts, you can add all of them to a single sheet known as a dashboard. So in Tableau, a dashboard is like, this option is for adding new sheets, like new worksheet. The next option is new dashboard. So I go to new dashboard. This is an empty dashboard here, and all the sheets you created are like present here. Like I have only one sheet, so I can just drag and drop it here. So I get one sheet, like, with all these things. And if I'm going to have more sheets, I'll drag and drop more sheets. And as you know, I cannot have one sheet on top of another sheet, it's going to look clumsy. So what I'll do is more options and floating. So this is now floating. You can resize it big or small or wherever. For now, I just have one sheet, so I'll just let it occupy most of the dashboard, and this is how it looks. If you want to re-edit it, you can go to this option, the square with an arrow. It's like go to sheet, so you get this page and you can, make changes to it. I'm coming back to the dashboard. I need to put, a title, so I double click on this. I'm gonna add title like sales and profit by customer. I just wanted bold. I think that's good. I'll apply that. Once you apply it in the dashboard, you can also, the changes get done in your sheet as well. So if you make changes here, it goes to the dashboard, and if you make changes in the dashboard, it goes to your sheet. So that's how Tableau works. This is like basically a very simple way of doing things. You can add several sheets and put them over here into a single dashboard. You can minimize this and add more sheets over here and all that. Now, I would like to also add something else to make it look more professional. more like my signature. So I'm going to put it, this is again in the whole place. So more options, floating, and I move it over here. I can minimize it also. So that's it. It's done. See, it's done. You can download it with, like file, save as, or export packaged workbook. Either of this option is going to work fine. So you can download it, and you can put it on your GitHub profile or anywhere that you want. And that's it.